To find the distance on a number line, we can use this formula. In this formula, the A and the B represent the coordinates of 2 points. The absolute value, as you can see here, forces the distance to be positive. We need a positive distance. So on this particular number line, we've got several points identified. And if we want to find the length of segment AC, this is one way to ask the same sort of question. Length of a segment, distance with some symbols here, or this is the measure of segment AD. They're all asking the same sort of a question. But if we wanted to do this for part A, we would find the length of AC by putting in the coordinates of A and of C. We've got -8. And we have this right here between 0 and this is 2 right here. So this would be 3. And we're going to subtract those values and take the absolute value of that. -8 minus 3 is -11. And the absolute value of that would be 11 units. If we want to find the distance between points B and E, same sort of thing is taking place here. What we would do is find the coordinate for B. Now it's between -4 and 0, so this would be at about -2, or exactly at -2. And then E is all the way over here. This is 8, 10, 12, 14 for E. We would subtract those and take the absolute value of the result. So we get -16. Absolute value of that would be 16 units. And then calculate the measure of segment AD. That's another way to ask about distance. So A is at -8. D is at, let's see, 0, 2, 4, 6. And we would subtract and take the absolute value. That's going to give us -14. And the absolute value of that is 14 units.